And you and I both know that red uniform has several meanings attached to it, just the way the orange ones does and the blue ones does. The blue one for females. Orange, just regular inmates. The red, gang member, age issue, in admin segregation. Yellow with stripes, pregnant, or just yellow, pregnant. Tan or grayish looking color, trustees. So if you want to come to trial dressed in red, that is completely up to you. Do you understand?
Yes, miss.
Do we understand each other?
Yes, miss.
Do you understand the offer that the state has made to you? That's either yes or no.
Yes.
What I want you to take away from this conversation is this attorney, according to the will, is qualified to handle the type of case that you're charged with. And I would tell you one of the qualifications they must have, and Mr. Gomez, correct me if I'm wrong, he has to have tried cases before, and he has to have tried felony cases before. You can't just have tried misdemeanor cases and then come to felony court and say, oh, I'm qualified. That's not how it works. So he's tried the necessary cases. And if you are upset by the offer that he is tendering to you, no, that is the offer that is the state has made. And in this court, I require everybody to treat each other with kindness. So I guarantee you, when the state made him that offer, the state wasn't mean. The state just says, this is the offer I'm making. And I expect you to treat your attorney with respect. I'm sure your attorney will treat you with respect. But again, if you want a different attorney, you need to retain an attorney. So that means you need to go out and hire an attorney. And if you don't have the money to hire an attorney, then this is your attorney. Do you understand? The other thing I want you, that's either yes or no.
Yes, miss.
The other thing I need you to understand, and again, we're not doing this anymore. If you are at the jail and they're ordering you dressed for court, that's me ordering you dressed for court because you're up for trial. And I will not have any qualms whatsoever with you going to trial dressed in that red uniform. Well, I want to accept this, but this is what I will accept. That's what's called a counteroffer. But what that means is you're telling the state, I'm not accepting your offer. I will only accept this. So that means that you're rejecting the state's offer and it may or may not appear for you again. Do you understand?
Yes, miss.
And I'm sure this attorney will be able to tell you what your range of punishment is in this type of case. I cannot tell you that because I don't know the facts of your case. The only thing I have before me is an indictment. You understand?